So I finally have my sister doing a video with us. I got her to get 12 fluid ounces of Dr. Pepper. We each have a case. Six of them, and we are going to try to drink as many as we can. I thought these were the small ones, so we're probably not going to be able to drink all of them. And we're in a parking lot, so random people are like walking by us. I'm going to set the timer. Woo, you can't see at all. I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and then it's going to be kind of like, may the best girl win. Yeah. And if I win, I get to take some of her clothes to San Francisco. We'll see about that. Of my choosing. Okay, so are you guys ready? No, you have to put it back. You can't even do that. No. Okay, so, ready, set, start, go. Acrylic nails. Burping will happen here. You have to burp. Okay. Up in my car. Out the window. It went back in her cab. She said, you just got crap all over my window. We might have to reset this because we both suck. I'm still on the first one. How much do you have? So attractive. This is how you get guys. Girls, you make videos and you burp the whole entire time. Oh, good God. Oh my gosh, okay, so we're at 8 minutes and 14 seconds. I think we probably should have given us like 5 minutes. 10 minutes is a little too much, so we might stop it in a few minutes. Not in the car, fatso. You've already spit up on yours. See? That doesn't count. There's soda on your lap. You spit it out, you forfeit. It's on your glasses, for crying out loud. You suck. Shut up. Okay. Last time I have her do a video. Don't throw. Oh my God. No.
Ow.
What the heck was that? This is gonna be titled the Burping video because it's a challenge we suck. Again, take your spitty uppy and off your You're an idiot. You're washing my car. She threw it up. She forfeits. I win. That's the end of it, ladies and gentlemen. Dude. Okay, so don't ever do videos with Dr. Pepper because I mean we both are at 2. I'm half on 2, and she made me laugh and it went in my nose, and then I burped at the same time, and then it had to come out. It was like, yeah, it didn't work. very well. I might even be crying, people. I am crying. Well, next time we're going to do something called the Bamboozle challenge, where it's the jelly beans that there will be like a green apple and the other one will be like poop or something, and you don't know what it is. It's just in one box and there's 2 of each color. And so like one of us will get baby wipes, one of us will get coconut, and we won't know, and it has like a horrible taste.
Oh, there's no way I'm doing that.
She is. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching the challenge. We are still at like 5 minutes. But you know what? I think to save our poor lungs, we are going to stop. All right, hope you all have a great night. Bye.